Welcome to the 5th day of Melbourne International Film Festival 2011. Let's take a look at the movies screened on day 5. The massive critical and commercial success in South Korea, The Unjust is a complex crime thriller set against a background of police and corporate corruption in contemporary Seoul. A spate of unsolved serial killings has the Seoul public outraged. Facing mounting public pressure, the police initiate a plan to set someone up to take the fall for the crime, unleashing a chain of events that finds the city's powerful and corrupt interests pitted against one another. Directed by popular genre director Roo Seung-won, The Unjust blends cynical social observations with dark humor, tragedy and distinctively Korean action.
알고 보면 우리도 좋은 일 많이 한다고.
여론이 집중된 사건인 만큼 주프로 네가 이 동생 맡아.
허위가 계속되면은 그게 관리인 줄 알아.
영감님 사람 참 불편하게 하는 재주가 있으신데.
나랑 자꾸 라이벌 관계를 가지려고 하지 마.
니네같이 법 안 지키는 새끼들이 더 잘 먹고 잘 살아.
우린 목숨 걸고 하잖아. 배우가 필요하다. 그 말씀하시는 거예요?
3일 준다.
저한테 왜 이러시는 거예요? 나 지금부터 범인해라. 이게 좀 과시.
이동석이 내 얼굴로 검찰로 넘어가. 잘못되면 알지.
내가 겁이 많아서 검사가 된 사람이야.
이거 잘못되면 절대 나 혼자 못 죽는 거 알죠? 멋있다 이 새끼들.
After picking up a man in a baseball cap heavily pregnant, Soo Young and her taxi driver realize they've invited something more frightening into the cab when the stranger starts reeling off their most intimate secrets and counting down to an unknown event. Cue a blinding flash of light and Soo Young wakes up alone with only the howls of a distant creature to accompany her. Filmmaker Jo Sang-hee's End of Animal is a down-tempo supernatural thriller of high intellectual ambition, a quietly menacing and original debut from one of South Korea's rising stars.
집 나가면 고생이야. 준영아, 제발 돌아다니다가 고생하지 말고 거기 그대로 있어.
임신한 여장 못 봤어?
여기 어디예요?
여기 우리 집이에요.
아무도 믿지 마. 이대로만 가면 돼. 달이 지나서 용폴이 지나서 휴게소에서 엄마한테 전화만 하면 돼.
노래 안 하면 지금 쏘고 노래하면은 끝나고 쏘게.
Taken to Europe from South Africa in the early 19th century, the Hottentot Venus became a freak show attraction in London and Paris and an object of deep prurient curiosity. Fascinating to scientists and leechers alike due to her supposedly enormous genitalia, Batman lived a tormented existence forced by her owners to strip and perform for the gawking crowds. An impassioned work by director Abdelatif Kechiche built around an unflinching lead performance from Mihima Torres, Black Venus is a harrowing but worthy account of a shameful movement in colonial history.
C'est assurément dans la forme et le grand développement des mâchoires que l'on trouve le plus de ressemblance entre cette Hottentote et l'orang-outan.
Soumise.
On dit que vous êtes une princesse. C'est vrai?
Approchez, messieurs dames. Allez! Dépassez votre gêne!
Shakespeare McPhee.
Mesdames et messieurs, la Vénus Hottentote!
Something strange is on the streets. Cryptically proclaiming the above 4 lines, the Toynbee tile phenomenon has seen hundreds of street tiles discovered in major cities across the US and South America for over 20 years. Is it a street art conspiracy or the public ravings of a daring individual? Director John Foy chronicles artist Justin Dewar as he becomes fixated on solving the mystery and the clues starts to pile up: a Jupiter colonization group, a David Mamet play, and pirate shortwave radio broadcast. But what do they add up to? An epic urban mystery and a story of obsession that lies on both sides of it. Resurrect Dead was winner of the Directing Award for US Documentary at Sundance 2011.
The plaques were first sighted in the early 1980s. There are 130 known plaques, most in the U.S.
Philadelphia, Baltimore,
New York, Washington, D.C., Chicago, St. Louis.
Plus, they have been spotted in South America.
City officials we contacted were not aware of their existence.
It's anybody's guess what the meaning really is or who's behind it.
So who is placing these tiles all over Philadelphia and all over the world for that matter?
It's like a scene from The Twilight Zone.
I've never seen one.
Paul Giamatti plays Mike Flaherty, a middle-aged lawyer-cum-high school wrestling coach struggling to succeed at either task, whose fraught existence is provided some relief when he manipulates a senile client into giving him control of his finances. When the man's teenage grandson shows up and proves to be an exceptional wrestler, it seems as if all Mike's problems are fading away, but it isn't long before the fallout from his transgressions begin to catch up with him. A sharply observed comedy Win-Win once again shows off writer-director Tom McCarthy's exceeding talent for warm-hearted quirk. Led by the superbly downtrodden Giamatti, Win-Win is sincere without being cloying and filled with humane wit.
Mr. Poplar has been deemed incapacitated by this court.
Did we win?
And the team is hopeless.
I can't watch this.
Who's that?
You looking for Mr. Poplar?
He's my grandfather. I came to live with him.
I don't have a grandson.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Does your mom even know you're here?
She's at a clinic or something. She doesn't care about me.
She's a druggie. I'm not sending him back there.
So what do we do?
Go to Ohio and beat the crap out of his mom.
Kyle here's going to be working out with us for a little while.
Have you ever wrestled before?
A little.
I don't think we can teach him anything.
Can you give me a slap?
Okay, like that?
A little harder.
Why did Daddy hit Kyle?
I have no idea.
Kid's got man strength, dude.
Man strength.
What's it like to be as good as you are?
Feels like I'm in control of everything, you know?
Must be nice.
Mom, what are you doing here?
This kid really hates his mother more than I hate my ex-wife.
You can't let her take me back to Ohio.
Mike?
This kid's got a chance to do something special. Maybe even change his life.
I want to see my son!
Give him a call. You got his number.
No!
What are you, freaking mom?
I did not think that it would get this complicated. You stay in this, okay? This is your place. This is your place. You control it. Remember? You control it.
Win-win.
With that, we come to an end of this episode of All Lights Film Magazine. We'll be back shortly with more updates from Melbourne International Film Festival. Stay tuned.